by the NHS where there is that phrase again, clear evidence, they say, of their quality, safety and effectiveness. Just after 8:30, you can watch a full documentary on this featuring our two mums that we've had here in the studio this morning. It's on the BBC iPlayer now. It's called Cannabis Prescription Potluck.
8:32, Morning Live follows us on BBC One this morning. Let's find out what they have in store today. It's Gethin and Helen. Morning.
Morning. Good morning to you. Coming up on the show, just when you thought the fraudsters couldn't get any lower, they're targeting victims of crime, offering to recover stolen cash, but actually stealing from them again. Today, RAV exposes their shocking tactics.
That's right, in this cruel scam, crooks are stalking social media and picking out vulnerable people, saying they can help for a fee. I'm going to be telling you how to spot a fake profile.
Also, with house prices falling at their fastest rate in 14 years, improving your property's curb appeal could boost its value. So we sent DIY expert Wayne Perry to give one viewer's house a makeover for £100, and he does a brilliant job.
As you would expect. And Dr. Oscar's here to go through this week's health headlines, finding out what's a lie and what's legit.
Yes, I'll be looking into whether growing human kidneys in pigs is good news for the future of transplants, and the truth behind, wait for it, how you really should sit on the toilet.
All that, plus Chef Bobby O'Toole's ripping up a baked cheesecake, but not any old cheesecake. Have a look at that.
Oh, it's awesome.